Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of a Daily Goodie Box. This is a website that's free to join. You create a profile, and if you're chosen, they send you a box of goodies. They only ask that you review them once you get them. You can also follow them on social media, and they give out boxes there, so all the information will be in the description box below. I'm very excited for these. These are Maddie's Sweet Shop Key Lime Cookies, shortbread cookies. I've received shortbread cookies of different brands before, and they're so good. So, very excited for that. Next, we have, it's adorable, little bee sticker. I like how they packaged that. That's pretty. Congratulations. There's a bee bar, lotion bar, and lip butter. Very cool. And a promo code. So let's take a look at that. Honey House Naturals. And this card has more information about them, their story, and other products that they have. If you've never tried a lotion bar, they're really nice. So this is raspberry lemonade. Bet that's amazing. Very cute packaging. Same with this. This one is lavender. Look at that. Attention to detail. Everything's wrapped all cute. Little bee sticker. Love that. I was about to say, I bet the soap or the lotion is stamped as well, and it is. And it smells very good. So you just store them in there, and to use them you just put them in your hand, rub it together. The heat from your hand will kind of melt it a little bit, and then you can work it into your hand. So very easy to use. Next we have some Virginia peanuts from Hubbs. These are really good. Received those before. And some organic Moringa tea. This is vanilla oolong grape tea. I'm not sure I've had a grape tea, so that's interesting. Excited for that. These two containers. Night syrup. I think these are exactly the same, it looks like. It has an antihistamine and a natural base of honey and 7 organic herbs. Looks like children 6 and up can use that. Very cool. No dyes or synthetic colors or flavors, no high fructose corn syrup. So we have that. Next up, B&U Propolis shot. This has propolis, vitamin C, vitamin D3, and zinc. Just a sample of a dietary supplement. These are cute. I've seen these before. I think we got one a long time ago. It's before you drink. They're little berry flavored gummies. And I think they're to prevent hangovers, if I remember correctly. Yep. They restore key nutrients and support your liver. And some Rowdy protein powder. This is collagen and protein powder, and the flavor is snickerdoodle. Definitely use that. And then typically at the bottom, there's all sorts of information about the companies in the box, and normally promo codes. So this, the B&U, so that is the shot. That is now available at Trader Joe's, it says. Rowdy, 15% off your order. They have other types of protein. The tea. Then we have the night syrup. All the information about what's in there. Hubbs peanuts. Oh wow. big pamphlet. You can order big containers of this, different flavors. They have honey, peanut butter brittle. Very cool. Ooh, even chocolate covered. They have little gift sets. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up on the website, like I said, all the information's below, and make sure you follow them on social media. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.